world.
I'm doing it.
Morning crew, and welcome back to the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel. And I've got potential tool girl Jade. It is Jade, isn't it?
Yeah.
Jade, that's
Yeah.
right. Tool girl Jade on site here. It's an early Sunday morning. I've been up pretty much all night editing videos for you, the people. So if I'm looking a bit knackered, my apologies, but I sacrificed sleeping time for editing time just to keep you guys happy. And ladies, of course. So, what brings you here, if that's not a stupid question?
I want to be your tool girl.
Oh my word. Jeez. Okay. Well, that's going to be down to the viewers. It's not down to me. I've got a series of tool girl tryouts going on at the moment. We had tool girl Ali in the workshop yesterday, and I think she did a fantastic job. So she's really raised the bar a little bit. Obviously, you know, tool girl Hana is brilliant in the workshop, and you know, with these votings that's going on, it's not to vote tool girl Hana out. All right, what we're doing is to increase the flock of tool girls that come down to the workshop. It's not to replace the ones that are already around. So, you know, in my opinion, more the merrier. Yes. Okay, so we're going to be doing a video after this about how to diagnose a fault on a 4-pin relay. And you did physics or chemistry?
Both.
Oh, geez. Right, okay, I'm way out of my league already. So you're going to show me how to diagnose
am
the
I?
fault on a 4-pin relay. You are, because it's dead easy. Okay, that's the next video.
Hopefully.
But to do that, you've already broken the first rule of the Andy Mechanic workshop. You've come into the workshop in your, geez, honestly, they're about 5-6 inch heels. 5.
Super.
Geez, okay, 7-inch heels. Wow. Okay, you've come into the workshop in your heels without your official Andy Mechanic shirt. It is New Zealand legislation here to wear work clothes in a workshop. We can maybe ignore the short shorts. We could maybe ignore the heels because, hey, who knows, because you can't see them at the moment.
Beautiful.
They're very nice. I'm sure I've seen a pair like that in Auckland, somewhere close to a pole, actually. But anyway, I have got, and you can't tell Tool Girl Hana about this because I've got Tool Girl Hana's spare shirt, and if she finds out that you're wearing it, she's going to take my, well, have a guess. I've got 2 at the moment, and there'll probably be 1 left after she gets home from holiday. Okay, so there you go. There's your shirt.
My shirt now.
You can put that on. Now, it's only on loan, remember, right? I've got to have that back because you're not an official tool girl just yet. And who knows, you may not be.
Shame.
It's all down to the viewers. It is. Okay, so, yep, crack on. Oh, don't know where to look. Okay, I'm going to talk about something else. Relays, yes. In fact, so reading the comments, I could talk about anything I wanted to right now, and none of you would hear a word that I'm saying. You're far too preoccupied in watching Tool Girl Jade. Yes, so don't need to say anything, I'm just going to watch.
Cheeky.
In fact, I'm going to put you right in front of the camera because that's far more important. You stand there, and I'll take second place because I'm learning my place now with the Tool Girls. The viewers have commented, and yeah, when you girls are in camera, I'm a nobody. My channel's getting taken over. This wasn't the idea, gentlemen. But hey, who's complaining really? You good?
I'm good.
Does it fit well?
Yeah.
Give us a twirl. Fantastic. Good job. Okay. Now you've got a car.
Yeah.
What car is it?
Mitsubishi RVR.
A Mitsubishi RVR. And is it the one with the bull bars on the front?
Yeah, it's so big.
Oh, nice.
Big
So
tank.
the bull bars are quite good for getting pedestrians out of the way.
On the road.
And taxi drivers and
Yeah, scare everyone.
dogs, and yeah, anything really. It's just in the way. Just
Little person, big car.
give them a nudge. That's what I say. Yeah, the old patrol's pretty good for that too, actually. In fact, I remember all these little stories. I've just come up with another little story. I was in New Lynn years ago in Auckland, and we'd just come to New Zealand, and we lived out near Gleneden, I think it was called, near Henderson. And we pulled up these traffic lights, and just in front of me, I was the second car in the line, and in front was a white Subaru, because I'm English, say Subaru, not Subaru. All right, Subaru, a state car, not station wagon, and a state car, okay? And I pulled up, maybe 3 or 4 feet gap between the bull bar and his Subaru. And then, for some reason, he decided to reverse right back up to the bull
Bad
bar.
idea.
Trying to make a point. And it's like, well, and it was at 1 a.m., it was pretty late, so he was probably drunk, I don't know. So he reversed right up to the bull bar. I said, oh, that's a little bit confrontatious. What's going on there? So I popped the old truck into first, and we just, because it's a manual, obviously, and just gave him a little nudge back to the start line, the white line, where you start the race when you're on a motorbike.
Oh, yeah.
So I pushed him back to the start line. He did not like that, because he put his brakes on and stuff, but it made no difference. The car ended up on the white line, as it would do with a patrol giving it a little shove. And it was just about to get out of the car, so I thought, well, I don't particularly want to meet the gentleman face to face, because not trying to stereotype Subaru drivers from West Auckland, but 1 a.m. in the morning is not the best time, and I didn't know how many were in the car. So I just gingerly reversed and just drove around him, and off I went, and that was the end of that. But it was quite weird why he reversed right up to the bull bar of the truck. Odd. Could never, to this day, I can never wait up. And earlier that day, we were parked outside the cinema. I parked the truck outside the cinema, probably about 8 p.m. And there was a guy in a Jag, a green Jag.
Oh, Jag.
He staggered across the road, got in his Jag, put it in reverse, and reversed straight into the front of the bull bar. Smashed all his back lights, and then he got out and then tried to make out that the person in the patrol had driven into the back of him, and in actual fact there was nobody in the driver's seat, because I'd gone out to buy the tickets at the cinema for later on. So there you go.
Car.
This is the kind of driver that we get in Auckland. It's just mental. So you're based down in Wellington most of the time, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're probably a lot safer down there than you are up here.
You'd hope so. Most people don't indicate, they just go for the turn.
BMW drivers don't indicate. I think BMW cars must have the world's most unreliable indicators, because it can't be the drivers. The drivers, it's such a simple task to move a lever by the steering wheel. You don't have to even move your fingers very far, and then the indicators work, don't they? Yeah. But obviously in a BMW, they're faulty all the time. Even from brand new, they just don't work. Yeah. So my apologies to all Subaru drivers all BMW drivers out there. I feel for you for driving such a crap car. Seriously, I hate BMWs, especially those X5 things and stuff, and the Audi Q7s, nightmare. Far too expensive for what they are. Anyway, that's my little rant over for Sunday morning. I'm gonna just get all geared up now for doing a video on that 4-pin relay diagnostic. That should be cool.
Yeah.
So we need to do a quick sign out. So obviously, as part of the brief for coming down to being a potential tool girl, you've been watching some of the videos.
Yeah.
Excellent. So the sign out is as follows. So here we go. If you found this video interesting and you enjoyed watching potential tool girl Jade putting on tool girl Hana's shirt. Okay. If you enjoy this, then why not click on the subscribe button, which is somewhere up there in Jade's hair at the moment. Click on subscribe, you'll see a little gear icon turn up. Click on the gear icon, and then you can tick the box and turn on notifications. And you need to stand just this side a little bit, otherwise you're going to be right in the middle of Facebook. You'll find me on... Do you remember the lines? Have you done the lines?
Lines?
No. Okay. Have we got a cheat? Oh, we have. I've still got the cheat card from yesterday. Look there.
Sweet.
Okay, so you can have Ali's cheat card. Okay, you'll find me on...
Facebook, Instagram, Google, and Twitter.
You sure will. Feel free to communicate. Well done, by the way. It was an excellent reading of the cardboard.
I was trying to look at the camera.
It's impossible. I can't do that. Okay, so feel free to communicate through any of those portals. However, first point of contact, if you don't mind, through the comments on YouTube, because that's where I am most of the time, and I will do my very best to get back to you. I must have done about 100 comments this morning. in response to comments on Tall Girl Ali's shirt video, introduction video. She's got over 3,000 views,
Wow.
and it's only been up for just over 14, maybe 15 hours. So wow, she's doing a great job, way in the lead. And I suppose maybe the views might be the way to decide who's going to get that next place as a Tall Girl. Game's on, so basically you can help your odds by getting all your mates to share that video.
Yep, everyone
Video,
share.
not that video, your video. Yeah, so don't forget, if you want to help Tall Girl Jade, share this video to all your friends because she needs those views. Golly, it'd be such a shame to kick Tall Girl Ali off the pedestal because she's bloody good. Actually, you've got a high bar to go for. She did a great job yesterday. Okay, crew. Well, there's also a new Patreon page. You can drop onto the Patreon page, and there's information about how the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel came to be, the history of it, and it was really just. So I'm getting quite distracted. You're tickling my back at the moment. It's quite nice. Hannah's going to go mental. Golly gosh. And also, and also, I don't know what's going on. Also, you're going to find future projects. Totally distracted now. Honestly, I've got cleavage in the camera. I've got you tickling my back. Man, I've lost the plot completely. So yeah, you know all about it. Patreon page, drop onto there. You can donate if you like. If you want to chuck a few dollars this way to help the channel out, to maybe pay for some bigger shirts because it looks like we need them. Then maybe I can do that for you. Okay, crew. Well, it's goodbye from me and goodbye from potential Tall Girl Jade. See you around, crew. Cheers. Over and out.
Hi, I'm Jade.
Oh wow, jeez. That's real lipstick. Goes well with your shirt actually. It's exactly the same red, isn't it? Near enough.
I know.
Very nice.